All right, food explorers, get ready to embark on a flavorful journey that spans centuries and continents. Let's talk about garlic, that pungent, aromatic ingredient that elevates dishes around the world. Yes, that little bulb in your kitchen, often taken for granted, holds a story far grander than you might imagine. It has a history as bold as its flavor, a narrative woven into the very fabric of human civilization. Did you know ancient Egyptian pyramid builders were paid in garlic? It was considered so valuable. It was fuel for their toughest jobs, providing them with the strength and stamina needed to construct those monumental structures. Garlic isn't just an ingredient, it's a cultural artifact. It's been medicine, a remedy passed down through generations. It's been currency, a form of payment and trade in ancient markets, and a magical charm for thousands of years, believed to ward off evil spirits and protect against illness. From Central Asia, its birthplace, to every corner of the globe, garlic's journey is packed with secrets and stories, a testament to its enduring appeal. Every time you chop a clove, releasing its pungent aroma, you're connecting with ancient civilizations and powerful traditions, participating in a culinary ritual that has been practiced for millennia. It's a true globetrotter, a citizen of the world, embraced by cultures everywhere, from the Mediterranean to Asia and beyond. So get ready, prepare to be amazed. We're about to peel back the layers on garlic's epic story, revealing its multifaceted nature. We'll explore its role as medicine, delving into its healing properties. We'll uncover its mystical powers, examining its use in ancient rituals, and how it became a kitchen superstar, a staple ingredient in countless dishes. Let's dive in, shall we? And uncover the secret history of garlic together. It's a story you won't soon forget. Let's dig into garlic as medicine. Long before modern pills, garlic was a superstar in ancient healing. Egyptians fed it to pyramid builders for strength and health. Garlic was their ancient energy drink. Greeks and Romans loved it too. Hippocrates prescribed it for everything from fatigue to digestion, and Roman soldiers ate it for courage. Garlic's strong aroma and taste made people believe it could cleanse the body and ward off sickness. Even without knowing about allicin, ancient cultures trusted garlic's power. It was a cornerstone of their health routines, a testament to nature's wisdom. Garlic's healing reputation has lasted for centuries, and science is still catching up. Brilliant, isn't it? Now, let's delve into the magical side of garlic, a world where folklore and fantasy intertwine. We're talking about garlic's legendary powers of protection. Across the world, people believed garlic could ward off evil spirits, those shadowy figures that lurk in the corners of our fears. It was also thought to banish bad luck, turning away misfortune with its pungent aroma, and, of course, let's not forget about its most famous role, repelling vampires. Thanks to iconic stories like Dracula, the legend was cemented. Garlic became the ultimate vampire repellent, a symbol of safety against the undead. But this idea goes way back in European folklore, long before Bram Stoker's famous novel. People hung garlic on doors as a protective charm against unwanted visitors, both physical and supernatural. They wore it around their necks like a potent amulet warding off evil influences, and they used it in rituals, incorporating it into sacred ceremonies to keep evil at bay. It was a universal protector against curses, those whispered spells meant to bring misfortune. It was also used against bad spirits, entities that haunted the night and preyed on the vulnerable, and even shipwrecks, protecting sailors from the perils of the sea. In some cultures, garlic placed in a baby's cradle was believed to offer protection. In others, dreaming of garlic promised good luck, a sign of positive things to come. Its strong smell was seen as a force field, a potent barrier against the unseen forces of the world. Garlic's magical reputation shows just how deeply it's woven into our imagination, becoming a symbol of protection and well-being. A simple plant, yet a powerful guardian in countless traditions, a testament to the power of belief. Fascinating, right? So how did garlic, this humble bulb, become a kitchen rock star, a culinary staple in homes and restaurants around the globe? What is it about this ingredient that makes it so universally loved? Simple, it's that bold, transformative flavor. It has the power to completely change a dish. Garlic turns ordinary dishes into something truly special, adding depth, warmth, and a certain je ne sais quoi that elevates the entire dining experience. From classic Italian pasta dishes, where it forms the very foundation of the sauce, to the most delicate French sauces, where it adds a subtle but essential layer of complexity, Chinese stir-fries, where it's quickly tossed in a wok to release its pungent aroma, to the rich and aromatic Indian curries, garlic is undeniably at the heart of global cuisine. Use it raw for a fiery kick that awakens the senses, roast it slowly for a mellow sweetness that melts in your mouth, or sauté it gently in olive oil for a rich and fragrant base. Each method brings out something entirely new and exciting. Garlic can be the undisputed star of the show, front and center, or a subtle background note, adding depth without overpowering, but no matter how it's used, it always makes its mark, leaving a lasting impression on the palate. Its unmistakable aroma fills kitchens, creating an inviting and comforting atmosphere, promising something delicious and bringing people together around the table. Garlic is so much more than just a flavor. It's an integral part of the joy of sharing food and creating memories. It's woven deeply into culinary traditions and cherished family memories worldwide, passed down through generations, and that's the true magic of cooking with garlic. Garlic's journey is epic. From ancient fields to modern kitchens, it's a true culinary legend. Every clove connects us to centuries of tradition, wisdom, and flavor. We're part of a long chain, echoing ancient practices every time we cook with garlic. Even today, science is discovering new health benefits, proving those ancient healers were onto something. Garlic is a win-win, delicious and good for you. So keep exploring, tasting and learning about your food's incredible stories. There's a world of flavors and history waiting to be discovered. Now who's hungry? Let's get cooking with some lovely garlic.